Today I'm back here putting on the third row of my 2024 Tahoe, and I've got one problem. This middle seat belt is in the way. This is obviously, if you want to fold this row down, you got to get this seat belt out of the way to do so, and there's not really clear instructions anywhere on how to do it, so I just thought I'd show you real quick on how to do it. Okay, so looking at the bottom of the seat belt, this is where we'll disconnect it from, and it'll retract up into the ceiling. And when you look at it from the top, it's kind of hard to see how to do this, but what you have to do is come to the side and you will see there's a red button there. Now, button's too small to push with your finger, so what I typically do is grab a key off my keychain, and you're just gonna slide it from the bottom and push up, and that will unlatch the seatbelt and let you retract it up to the ceiling. If that helped you out, or if you have any questions, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next project.